master at cunnilingus.
Cunnilingus? Sometimes you sound like you're 57, you absolute freak. Oh my god. Do you know how to play Never Have I Ever?
Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
Come on.
Never have I ever. Got a tattoo.
Boring.
Oh, go on then.
Never have I ever done coke.
At uni.
Twice.
Oh.
Disastrous.
And then at the wedding of this boring woman from Stephen's work. Michelle. One of those women who thinks liking gin is the same thing as having a personality.
Oh.
She had a sign at the reception that said gin o'clock.
Who had the coke?
Her little cousin.
White people are fucking wild.
Never have I ever had sex with a woman. What? When? Who?
A few times. I'm bisexual or whatever.
Or whatever. I thought you
said I didn't fancy you. Not that I didn't fancy girls. I mainly fancy girls. Men are very mediocre.
Never have I ever fucked a married man. Well, my husband was technically married.
Oh, fuck you! Never have I ever thought about killing myself.
That's a mother. That's a mother of a question.
Oh, my rugby playing flatmate posted in Freshers.
What a twat.
Yeah.
Never have I ever tried to kill myself. Well, that's good.
Well done, us.
Oh, we got dark.
Yeah.
We always get dark.
Yeah.
I don't want to get dark. I want to get drunk.
You are drunk.
Let's go dancing.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, it's a great
Sarah.
idea.
All the people, Sarah.
We're so boring. We never go anywhere. You're young. I'm divorced. We're going.
I don't have anything to wear.
I have clothes. You can wear my clothes. You can wear this. You'll look great in this. Come on.
What?
What's that?
My arm.
You smoke.
Not anymore. Thought we were going dancing.
We are. We are. Do people still go to Infernos?